Hello everyone, I am Analakshmi Chair. I am studying in class 7th of KVA First Akulam. Today we are going to learn chapter 10 of class 7 NCERT textbook, which is Respiration in Organisms. This is the part 1. After watching part 1 of this video, please do watch part 2. Let's start studying. First, what is respiration? The process of breakdown of food with the release of energy is called respiration. Now we understood what respiration is. Let's start studying about the types of respiration. Basically, there is only one type of respiration, that is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is broken down into two branches. First one being aerobic respiration, second one anaerobic respiration. First, let's start studying cellular respiration. The process of breakdown of food which happens inside a cell with the release of energy is called as cellular respiration. Now let's study the first branch of cellular respiration, that is aerobic respiration. The process of breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen with the release of energy is called aerobic respiration. This is the equation of aerobic respiration. Glucose in the presence of oxygen releases carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Now let's understand just the opposite of aerobic respiration, which is anaerobic respiration. The process of breakdown of glucose in the absence of oxygen with the release of energy is called anaerobic respiration. This is the equation of anaerobic respiration. Glucose in the absence of oxygen releases carbon dioxide plus alcohol plus energy. Remember that in anaerobic respiration, water is replaced by alcohol. Let's learn one example of anaerobic respiration, that is yeast. Yeast are single-celled microorganisms. They respire anaerobically and during this yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make wine and beer. We humans mostly respire aerobically, that is, in the presence of oxygen. But we humans are also capable to respire anaerobically. Let's learn about it. Sometimes muscles of humans can respire anaerobically when there is a temporary deficiency of oxygen. When do we have a temporary deficiency of oxygen? During exercises. During exercises, the demand for oxygen is very high, but supply of oxygen to produce energy is limited. Therefore, our muscles respire anaerobically to produce energy. We understood how we respire anaerobically. Now let's understand why we get cramps or pain after heavy exercises. During anaerobic respiration, our body produces lactic acid along with energy. And as lactic acid gets accumulated, which means gathered in our muscles, it often leads to cramps, that is, pain. This is the equation for anaerobic respiration in human beings. Glucose which is present in the muscles of human beings, in the absence of oxygen, produce lactic acid as a byproduct along with energy. Now we understood why we get cramps. So, what is the solution for this problem? We can take a hot bath or a massage. It is because by doing any of the above, blood circulation increases. Thus, there is a better supply of oxygen to the muscle cells. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.